Well, now this is a story of hard work and determination. Nongada Boxing Academy, located at Imphal East District's Nongada Makalaikai, has been working relentlessly to produce promising boxers despite limited infrastructure and resources. SKTV News video journalist Hodam Nilachandra brings you a special report on this.
Established in 1995, Nongada Boxing Academy, which is located at Nongada Kameng Kunjaulam Park in Imphal East District, Nongada Makalaikai, has managed to produce various national and international boxers. And the struggle and effort continues even today to harm new boxing talents who could win medals for the country and for Manipur. However, the academy is at critical situation as it lacks finances, equipment, and infrastructure. So far, Nongada Boxing Academy has produced 10 boxers at international level, 30 boxers including 11 women and 19 men at national level. The achievement can be attributed to the hard work of boxers and the guidance of boxing coach Fairojam Sanavitin. The academy is training boxers from underprivileged background without charging any fees, and it has emerged victorious at various championships by defeated other academies with better infrastructure and equipment.
Sida Nipu Muksanari, they my exam timing Gumba, Gumba, the Gumbagi. Ayuk Sanaba Karan in the Kara, the Mine Kaidwe. They are asking the Gipi is a Todopa low there, Moina Kayumban, Sira, Piramagana Pirame, Piram Dragati, Aduma Lautre. Kong with the Pangtokiba, boys and girls, Master Gida, Aquina, team runners up Dare. The game Mamangi say the governor cup, Adida, Aquay team champion, Loraki. When the facilities, you can late the Vanina, when the grassroots. Siamaga, the minor Mogi trials in go, Yawale, they the pasta away to never moin a callis, and the mind of a low giver.
The academy, which has no proper boxing ring, limited punch bag and boxing drops, emerged as team runner of state level master boys and girls. The academy also won overall team champion in Governor's Cup boxing championship, which was held last year. Despite the lack of any assistance from government, the academy has emerged champion in district level 5 times.
Yam no I trail quick, Kanagumba, Karigumba, Matagi, Tokulaki. The Sizo, Hang Mam Kaki, Kaina Ragatoraga, Siamane. The Gia Koi MLA, Bomsana, my mattress, Makata, Nabagi, Ama Logi, do the Nung Chitaraga, the Mukmata Vanina, Adudi Dakali, Bukanda, Katamak Senare. Akoi Sigi Ringi Matak Chidangi, Kupningi, Nung Chingtarpan, Sasar, Komatanda, Lainabamsi, Laite. Simatang Kanabumba, Chance of Bulabiragati, Simatang Kavanzaning. The like the lighting actana globe num Kusukalizing you, I'm the labor on the dear. I do know my Karamadi Labia, my Karat, the gay white over Sintore, the gay Aina Karama later, I like to put the mum dear, the mitre of a collagin of Tangidas, down the white, Quiggy Big Marie Maraka, Yaliba. As is I hadn't but not there, but I'm a Lakaka or a Yalaga on a 7.
About 50 boxers who had trained at Nongada Boxing Academy have joined Army Boys, while many have joined Sai STC Imphal, Medicom Regional Boxing Academy, National Sports Academy, etc. Mandingbam Jadumani recently won silver medal at World Cup Boxing Final, while other promising boxers such as Mayengbam Hentoy, Kaisham Sanjit, Laifava, Lakmani, and Chilemba are competing at international level and have big various medals.
I give me Fairojam my Brazil go. I use my family, Hojapane. I do Mumbai. Indian Navy ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯁꯥꯟꯅꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯡꯁꯤꯃꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯕꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯝꯕꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯞꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯋꯥꯏꯅꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯆꯪꯉꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯦꯚꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯪꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯗꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ equipment aduga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯂꯤꯁ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯤꯉꯝꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯈꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯠꯆꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯜꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯈꯩꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤ
ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯊꯪꯖꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯁꯅꯥꯕꯤꯇꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ 2012ꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 2013ꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤ ꯕꯣꯏꯁꯇ SIꯗ ꯄꯨꯅꯦꯗ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯁꯨꯔꯛꯄꯒ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯗ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯗꯣ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯄꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯤꯜꯚꯔ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯔꯕꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯖꯨꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯀꯞ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯥ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯗ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯨꯕꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯗꯕꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯖꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯖꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯁꯅꯥꯕꯤꯇꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦ
ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯜꯂꯥꯛꯄꯝ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯀꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯥ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯗ 2018ꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 2023ꯗ NSAꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯝꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯖꯤꯇꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯟꯖ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯞꯇ
ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯦꯡ ꯍꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯈꯦꯂꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯟꯖ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯌꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯥꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯥꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯥꯔ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯀꯞꯇ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯣꯂꯦꯝꯄꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩ
It is nothing short of a miracle how a boxing academy with no proper ring, boxing kits is producing quality boxers. With little attention and some support from government, Nongoda Boxing Academy can do wonders for the nation and the state and can bring more medals in big international events such as Olympics, Asian Games and Commonwealth Games. This is Hoda Milachandra reporting for SKTV News, Nongada, Imphal East.